Hey guys, welcome to tutorial guru. Today I'll be showing you how to sign up or create an account on Bank of Montreal, and I'll start right in. Now, to create an account on Bank of Montreal or sign up for a Bank of Montreal account, first open up your preferred browser on your computer, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in bmo.com like this and hit on enter, and then you'll be redirected to the home page of Bank of Montreal. Now, in order to create an account or sign up for an account, first you'll be required to choose your bank account type or the type of the account which you want to sign up for. You can see you can sign up for bank accounts from checking accounts to cross-border banking, with savings account, students, newcomers, as over here available. You can sign up for credit cards over here. You can sign up for mortgages. You can see you can sign up for loan lines of credit account. With that being said, let's go to the bank accounts. Now, in order to sign up for a bank account, you must first choose either you want to create a checking account or a savings account, or do you want to switch to BMO from another account, or you want to create an account if you're a student. Let's go with savings and the students account, and you can see let's copy paste the address onto another tab, and you can see this was the student banking, and let's choose the savings account from over here for just for the demos purpose. And after that, you can see we are on the student banking as well as the savings accounts option. Available over here are the options or the bank account types, whichever you may want to say. And after landing on these pages from the bank accounts tab, from over here scroll down, and you'll be able to see the open account option available over here. Either you're on the student bank or the savings, scroll down and you can see there are the open account option available with each of the premium features or the features available for your account. Let's go with the basic savings amplifier account for over here, which is for the savings account. Click on open account, and let's open the sign up page for the student banking as well. Click on open account. We are doing this both ways, so just I could show you that you can sign up for any account on the BMO or the Bank of Montreal. And again, you can see there is the same page, whether wherever you want to or whatever type of account you sign up for. Click on apply now, and same with the here apply now. And you can see guys, one was from the student banking site where another was the savings account site. And even though both of these pages were to a different account type, you will be required to enter the same kind of information from your first name, middle name, last name, to your birthday, your contact info, address, employment, SIN, and the tax details and account use. And you'll be able to fill all of the details once you fill and go to the next step by clicking on next step after entering all these details. Similarly for the students or the savings, I got confused, and you can see the sign up process for each of these accounts is same. And when you enter all of these details and go to next and fill all of the details required by the Bank of Montreal, you will be able to create an account on BMO online. And there guys, this is how you create an account on Bank of Montreal. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.